Action of salivary amylase on starch. Take 3 test tubes, label them as test tube number 1, 2 and 3 and take 5 ml of starch solution in all the 3 test tubes. It's approximate. Then you will take 3 ml of buffer solution in all the 3 test tubes. The pH is 6.7. At this pH there is optimum enzymatic activity. So I've taken 5 ml of starch and 3 ml of buffer solution in all the 3 test tubes. So you can see the pH, it is 6.7. Then in test tube number 1, you will take enzyme salivary amylase. Salivary amylase breaks starch into maltose. That is the disaccharide. So I've taken salivary amylase in test tube number 1. In test tube number 2, you're taking distilled water. There is no enzyme added in test tube number 2. Test tube number 3, little bit of distilled water and dilute HCl. Dilute HCl changes the structure of the starch. And I've added salivary amylase enzyme in test tube number 1. Actually it breaks starch into disaccharide maltose. Now all the three test tubes to be kept in water bath for about 15 minutes. The temperature is 37. At this temperature there is maximum enzymatic activity. So keep in water bath for about 15 minutes. So enzyme salivary amylase will break starch into maltose. That is in test tube number 1. And then you will add iodine in all the 3 test tubes. When you add iodine in test tube number 1, you will not get blue color because starch is absent. You will get around yellow color in test tube 1. So now I am adding iodine in test tube number 1, but since starch is absent, it is digested by salivary amylase. There is no blue color. In test tube 2, starch is present, so you get blue color. Test tube 3, dilute HCl has changes the structure of the starch. So you can see over here, no blue color because of starch is absent. It has been broken down by salivary amylase. Test tube 2, starch was present, so after adding iodine, you get blue color. Test tube 3, the color will be later on amber color. So this was all about action of salivary amylase on starch. That what you see in test tube number 1. Salivary amylase enzyme has broken down starch into disaccharide maltose, so no blue color. Test tube 2, there is blue color. Test tube 3, later on you will see amber color because, as I said, dilute HCl changes the structure of the starch. Thanks for watching.